Welcome to this guided hypnotherapy session designed to help manage the symptoms of IBS and promote overall relaxation and well-being. Hypnotherapy can be a powerful tool to enhance the communication between your mind and body, helping to alleviate discomfort and bring about a state of harmony and balance. Find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed and allow yourself this time for healing and relaxation. Begin by finding a comfortable position, whether seated or lying down. Allow your body to naturally find a position that feels good without forcing yourself into any particular posture. Close your eyes and take a moment to settle in. Let's use this time to decompress, relieve the pressure in your mind, and calm your belly. Relax, focusing solely on the sound of my voice and the soothing music. In a moment, we will begin by taking 3 deep breaths, as deep as feels comfortable for you, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's start with your first deep breath now. As you inhale through your nose, visualize a wave of calmness entering your body. As you exhale through your mouth, imagine all the stresses and worries of the day flowing out of you. When you are ready, take your second deep breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with calmness, and as you exhale through your mouth, feel all the stress and worry gently drifting away, leaving you in a state of peaceful relaxation. Now, take your third deep breath, inhaling calmness and relaxation deeply into your body and exhaling all the stress, worry, and anxiety, letting them dissolve into the air. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention to your forehead. Notice if there is any tension or a frown present. If you detect any, consciously release it, allowing your forehead to become smooth and relaxed, free from any tension or tightness. Feel the muscles in your forehead softening and easing into a state of complete relaxation. Now, let that relaxation in your forehead flow gently down your face, spreading through your cheeks and down to your jaw. We often store stress and anxiety in our jaw, but now it's time to release that tension. To fully relax your jaw, allow a small gap to form between your upper and lower teeth, letting your jaw hang loose and completely relaxed. Feel the tension melting away as your jaw settles into a state of comfort and ease. Now, let that wave of relaxation flow down into your neck, easing any tightness or discomfort you may feel there. Allow this soothing sensation to spread further into your shoulders. Often, when we are anxious, we tend to hold our shoulders up, creating tension. But now, as you sink deeper into relaxation, you can feel your shoulders gradually dropping. Feel the weight lifting off them as all the tension melts away, leaving your shoulders completely and pleasantly relaxed, free from any stress. Now, let that relaxation flow down through your chest, feeling any tension in your chest muscles slowly dissolving. Allow this soothing sensation to spread further down your arms, releasing any tightness as it moves. Feel the relaxation traveling all the way down your arms, reaching your hands and extending to the very tips of your fingers. Next, direct this calming energy to your stomach. The stomach is often a place where we store tension and anxiety, sometimes feeling as if it is tied in knots. Picture these knots gently untying themselves, releasing all the built-up tension. Imagine your stomach becoming completely relaxed, free from any stress or anxiety, and at ease with each breath you take. Now, let that feeling of relaxation and calmness extend down to the tops of your legs, allowing it to flow into your thighs. Feel the muscles at the front, the sides, and the back of your thighs, gradually releasing any lingering tension, becoming completely and deeply relaxed. Allow this wave of relaxation to continue its journey down through your calves. Feel the soothing sensation spreading through your calves, releasing any tightness. Let it travel further down to your ankles, easing any stiffness or discomfort there. Finally, feel the relaxation reaching your feet, enveloping them and flowing all the way to the tips of your toes. Feel every muscle in your legs and feet completely relaxed, calm, and at peace. And now that you're in this wonderfully pleasant state of relaxation, we can begin to access your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind has the incredible ability to influence and control your body, but recently there has been a disconnect between your gut and your subconscious mind. Now, in this calm and serene state, you have the opportunity to repair and strengthen that vital communication channel. In this state of deep relaxation, your subconscious mind becomes even stronger and more powerful, opening up to positive suggestions that will greatly benefit you and enhance your overall health. Now, you can begin to repair the communication between your subconscious mind and your gut. On the count of 3, place your hand gently on your stomach to initiate the healing process and feel a warm, pleasant sensation spreading through your abdomen. 1, 2, 3. Feel that soothing, comforting warmth in your stomach as your mind starts to take control of your gut. Allow this gentle, healing sensation to flow through all areas of your gut. As the connections between your mind and gut heal and strengthen, feel the power of your mind reestablishing control. Your mind and gut begin to work together in perfect harmony, empowering you to control your gut rather than your gut controlling you. The cramps you once felt are simply the muscles in your gut, moving the digested food along. Now that your mind and gut are beginning to work in harmony, these feelings of pain and discomfort will diminish. Your mind now understands that these are normal processes and nothing is wrong. As a result, the pain messages can be turned down and eventually switched off, allowing your gut to perform its functions quietly and calmly without pain, bloating, or discomfort. This newfound harmony allows you to communicate correctly with your body once again. You can now accept any feelings, sensations, or noises from your gut, knowing that it is just your digestive system doing its job. As you embrace these sensations, they will become less and less noticeable. This acceptance helps repair the communication between your mind and gut, strengthening the connection and making any symptoms milder and milder. With each passing moment, you feel more in control and at ease, allowing your body to function optimally. With this new understanding of your symptoms, you are realizing more and more that there is no need to constantly seek reassurance from external sources. You recognize and accept these symptoms as harmless confusion between your mind and gut, a confusion that is now being corrected and straightened out. Your mind is taking control of your gut once again, just as it did before. You understand that sometimes when the mind and gut are not in sync, the gut can process digested food too quickly, leading to frequent trips to the toilet. For others, the process may be too slow, making it difficult to have regular bowel movements. However, with the power of your mind, you can restore the balance, ensuring that your digestive system functions smoothly and efficiently. You feel empowered, knowing that your mind has the ability to harmonize your gut's activities, bringing everything back into balance. This realization brings a sense of peace and confidence as you trust in your mind's capacity to regulate your body's processes naturally. Now, picture a serene stream in your mind. Notice the flow of the water in this stream. Perhaps it's rushing too quickly, or maybe it's moving too slowly. Listen to the sounds of the stream. Perhaps it's loud and turbulent, or maybe it's so quiet that you can barely hear it. With the power of your mind, you can adjust the flow of this stream. Imagine it now flowing at the perfect speed, neither too fast nor too slow, creating a gentle and soothing flow. Focus on the sight and sound of this gentle stream and notice how it makes you feel increasingly calm and relaxed. As you continue to observe this tranquil flow, feel your relaxation deepening. The more relaxed you become, the more your gut begins to heal. And as your gut heals, you find yourself feeling even more relaxed. This beautiful cycle of relaxation and healing allows you to move forward in life free from pain and discomfort. Imagine putting all your gut-related problems behind you, focusing instead on living a vibrant and fulfilling life as your digestive system continues to improve and function optimally. As you continue to improve, you may notice that you are paying less and less attention to your stomach and body. Instead, you are beginning to focus more on the world around you, engaging with your surroundings, rather than being preoccupied with internal sensations. Each time you listen to this hypnosis, you will find it becomes easier to concentrate, easier to relax, and as a result, these suggestions will grow stronger, more beneficial, and more healing. Your symptoms will gradually diminish, becoming less and less noticeable, and your anxiety will fade away. In a few moments, I will count to 5, and when I reach 5, you will return to full awareness, feeling calm, confident, and invigorated. As you open your eyes, you will carry this wonderful feeling of calmness and positivity with you, whether you continue with your day or prepare for a restful sleep. Embrace this newfound sense of well-being, knowing that each session helps you achieve a deeper state of relaxation and healing. 1. Slowly beginning to become more aware of your surroundings. 2. Feeling this calmness and confidence growing stronger within you. 3. Your eyes are starting to clear, as if they have been gently bathed in cool, refreshing water. 4. Gradually opening your eyes, returning to full awareness, and integrating this wonderful new sense of learning into your conscious experience. 5. Your eyes are now fully open, and you are fully aware of your surroundings, feeling absolutely wonderful, positive, and calm, ready to embrace the rest of your day or evening with a renewed sense of well-being. As we conclude this session, let's finish with 2 powerful affirmations. Silently repeat to yourself, I trust that my body is in balance and in complete harmony with the natural world. I love and accept my body just the way it is. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your body and your surroundings. Gently move your fingers and toes, and if you wish, stretch your body. In your own time, slowly open your eyes, feeling refreshed, peaceful, and clear-minded. Thank you for dedicating this time to your healing and relaxation. Remember, you can return to this state of calm and balance whenever you need. Have a wonderful day, carrying the sense of well-being with you.